Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 22nd December 2023. Rule 10TA of the Income Tax Rules 1962 outlines several definitions pertaining to Safe Harbour Rules, while additional provisions related to these rules are specified in rules ranging from Rule 10TB to Rule 10TG. The CBDT has notified the Income Tax 29th Amendment Rules 2023 to amend Rules 10TA and 10TD. Rules have been amended to revise a definition of intra-group loans and circumstances in which they are treated as safe harbor. The intra-group loan definition has been revised to include loans extended to associate enterprise rather than wholly owned subsidiaries. Further, the condition for the loans to be advanced must be sourced in Indian rupees has been omitted. Rule 10TD has been amended to replace the conditions for safe harbor in the event of the advancement of intra-group loans denominated in a foreign currency. The reference to CRISIL credit rating has been omitted from Rule 10TD. Thus, the credit rating of any other entities can be used while determining safe harbor. The amended rules are effective from 1st of April 2024. Reliance Retail's online fashion business, AJIO, is set to turn profitable this month, becoming the first online venture of the country's largest retail group to achieve the mark. AJIO is expected to post Rs 6 to 8 crore in earnings before interest and tax, depreciation and amortization in December. The company achieved profitability for multiple reasons. A premiumization trend in the market helped Reliance, with a huge international brand portfolio, improve the average billing value, while it brought down logistic costs by fulfilling most orders from the physical stores nearer to the delivery point and reducing return rates. Investors prodded Byju's founder Baiju Ravindran to ensure full transparency about company's financials and the latest state of affairs at the edtech firm at its annual general meeting, according to people present at the meeting. Investors made it clear that full clarity on what is going on in the company needed to be communicated to the shareholders, and only with this transparency, trust could be built for them to support the firm in any manner going forward. Once India's most valued startup, the EdTech has been struggling to pay off salaries while it scouts for buyers of group assets such as Epic and Great Learning. Byju's is looking to clear a $1.2 billion term loan it had raised in November 2021. Process 1 of Byju's investors has marked down its valuation to below $3 billion. The Karnataka government plans to bring technology companies under the purview of labour regulations from May 2024, ending the concession the sector has enjoyed for several years. There are about 1.2 million men and 6 lakh women working in the 8,785 information technology and biotechnology companies. The Labour Department has cited instances of arbitrary termination, ID blocking, mass retrenchment, layoffs, and extended hours of work, as well as sexual harassment at workplace as a reason for revisiting the relaxation. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.